Hi, it's time to get to know your beautifully designed new Arc or Cube Zip HydroTap. Your Zip Arc or Cube has a rotary touch control.
For chilled water, push the control back to dispense. For chilled bottle fill mode that's almost hands-free, rotate the control forward.
For sparkling, touch the Select tab once and the colour indicator will change from blue to white.
Sparkling water will now be dispensed. To dispense boiling water, touch the selection pad once if white or twice if blue, and the selector will turn to red. Now select your desired fill mode, forward or back.
The boiling water safety control is factory set. To dispense boiling water, 2 quick touches of the safety will enable it to dispense.
Whilst in dispense mode, the red light will flash. If boiling safety is not required, please disable the safety function in the settings menu. Just select Menu, then Settings, and Safety. To allow the safety setting to be changed, select Yes. To turn on the safety lock, select Enable. And to turn it off, select Disable. You can lock your selection by selecting No on the menu screen. After 30 seconds, your tap will revert back to chilled or tap for a new selection.
And that is your beautiful new Zip HydroTap Arc or Cube design. It's water refreshed.